True story. A family calls me after losing their father. He had life insurance, had it for years, paid every premium on time. But because of one mistake, one small little detail he never thought to check, his wife got a fraction of what she expected. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 life insurance mistakes, but I need you to stay until mistake number 5 because that's the one that hits closest to home and it takes less than 5 minutes to fix. So let's get into it. I've spent a lot of time helping families go from I'm thinking I'm covered to actually covered. These mistakes are common. Most people don't know they're making them, but every single one is fixable starting today. Mistake number 1, buying the cheapest policy without understanding what it actually covers. I get it. Life insurance doesn't feel urgent. So when people shop for it, they go straight to the lowest price or premium. But cheap policies come with exclusions, waiting periods, and coverage limits that make them nearly useless when your family actually needs a payout. The question isn't what's the cheapest option? It's what does this policy actually pay out and when? Those are two very different conversations. That one's fixable with a 15-minute conversation. But mistake number 2, this one catches people completely off guard, especially if you think your job has you covered. Mistake number 2, thinking your employer's life insurance is enough. Your job's policy typically covers 1 to 2 times your annual salary. Financial experts recommend 10 to 12 times. That gap is enormous. But here's what really keeps me up at night. The moment you leave that job, whether you quit, get laid off, or get sick, that coverage disappears overnight. You don't own it. Your employer does. Always have a personal policy that you own no matter what. Are you still with me? Good, because mistake number 3 is the one that hides in plain sight, and most families don't catch it until it's too late to do anything about it. Mistake number 3 is not having enough coverage. Most people pick a number that feels right, but feelings aren't a financial plan. Here's a simple starting point. Take your annual income and multiply it by 10. Then add your mortgage, your debts, and your future expenses like college tuition. That's your real number. For most family, it's significantly more than what they currently have. And the scary part, you won't find out that you're underinsured until it's too late to fix it. Before we get to mistake number 4 and 5, and I promise you, number 5 is the one that hits the hardest, drop a comment right here, right now, and tell me, do you know exactly how much life insurance you currently have? I read every single comment. I promise this will help you. So let's see where you're at. All right, mistake number 4, waiting. Life insurance is priced on 2 things, your age and your health. Every year you wait, your premium goes up. A healthy 30-year-old might pay $25 a month for a solid term policy. That same person at age 45 could be paying 3 times more for the exact same coverage. And if health is an issue or shows up in between, you might not even get qualified at all. The best time to get life insurance was yesterday. The second best time is today. Number 4 has a straightforward fix, but mistake number 5, this is the one I promise you at the start. And honestly, this one breaks my heart every time I see it. Mistake number 5, naming the wrong beneficiary or never updating. I've seen policies where the beneficiary was still the ex-spouse. Policies where a minor's child was named, and the courts had to get involved before a single dollar was paid out. Policies where someone passed away and nobody had thought to update the paperwork after a divorce or a remarriage. Here's the hard truth. Your life insurance policy doesn't care about your wishes. It pays exactly who is named on that document, period. So, check your beneficiary designation today, not tomorrow, today. It takes 5 minutes, and it could mean everything to the people you love. So let's recap the 5 mistakes. Buying cheap, without understanding what exactly you're getting, relying on employer coverage you don't own, not having enough coverage to actually protect your family, waiting because time is the one thing you can't get back, wrong or outdated beneficiary. Any of these could leave your family exposed. But now you know, and knowing is where it starts. If you want to find out exactly where your family stands, I'd love to help. There's a link in the description to schedule a free protection review with me, Sean Alverson, with the Alverson Protection Group. No pressure, no pitch, just clarity. And if this video helped you, please share it with someone you care about, because these kinds of things most people don't understand or find out until it's too late. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what your coverage number was. I'll see you in the next video. Stay protected.